The purpose of this next technique is to be able to introduce color from the original image, the bridge background, into both pigs easily and quickly. So in the image with the bridge, I've selected an area here. I could select this layer. It really shouldn't matter whether that's selected or not. And I want to introduce those colors into the pigs. So I'm going back to the original image that I based or pulled the Smart Art from, and I'm looking at that one. Then I'm going to go to one of these choices here, and it's Image Adjustments, and it's Match Color. So this choice, Match Color, is now going to bring up a dialog box which is going to allow me to match color based on a source. And the source that I want is Bridge of Pigs color. How insane is that? So look at the color of the pig now. So I can now play around with that. Now, if I click cancel, I think, yeah, I click cancel. I'll try another way of doing this, right? I'll show you another way. So I'm going to get just this much, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to make a new document, and I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm just going to call this one Colors with a Z, okay? And switch back to Piggy, and Image Adjustments, Image Adjustments, third from the bottom, Match Color, source is Colors, and now I get this. So you can see, depending on what section of the image that you pick or copy and paste, you can really vary the color of the content quite a bit. I can decrease the color intensity and or increase the luminescence. And I feel like this is close, but I need more blue. So I'm going to click cancel again. Toggle back over to Bridge of Pigs. Select something more like that this time. You know, it's up to you. Copy, new, return, paste, file, save as, color 2, and back to Piggy, image, adjustments, match color, third from the bottom, source, color 2, whoa, alright, so, kind of like the first one the best, so I can just change that back to Bridge of Pigs, digging it, okay, that's really working for me, bizarre thing that it is. You can fade it, which sort of minimizes some of the color. You see what's happening, yeah? You can neutralize it so it's not as intense. Okay, you can pull back this intensity. So I like that, so I'm going to stick with that. And click OK, and save it. And go to Bridge of Pigs, and look at those freaking pigs. Isn't that insane?
Love it. I have a question.
Sure.
Mine keeps just being white.
All right, did you choose a source?
Yes.
All right, let me come and help you.
Oh, the layer.
So I want to get the puppet warp position of the pig. I'm saving this, by the way, right now. So I'm going to do select load selection, and I should be able to get the piggy transparency. Now look what happens. I do get the right shape. We're very happy about that. You see what's going on? Do you see it? You see the marching ants around the puppet warped pig? Now I'm clicking on the orange layer where I have that color dodge, and I'm clicking the add layer mask. So the underside of the pig is now orange, and it's not glowing all around it. Did you see it? No one went ooh ah. It's so sad. Okay, so that's how I would do that. So I'll do it again for the other pig just so you can see. So I'll select this layer. There it is. I'll add a new layer. Boom. I'll paint orange on that layer on the underside here because that's where it would be picking up the glow, right? It's above the bridge. So there, painting that nice and orange. And I'll tell that to be color dodge for the color dodge. Boom. That looks great. but the mask is all wrong. So I have to click on Piggy Copy because that's where I'm going to pull the mask from. Select Load Selection, and it's called Piggy Copy, so that's the one I want, Piggy Copy. And now I have the masked area, or the selected area that I need to apply as a layer mask to layer 5, which has orange on it. So I have it now targeting layer 5, the orange layer. That's the one that's clicked. And I click on the Add Vector, Add Mask, and now it's looking much more realistic, as flying pigs can look. Okay. Last thing is that you might want to link all these pieces together. Or if you needed to move them all together, you can hold the Shift key down. I don't know if I've said this anywhere else in the course, so I'm holding the Shift key down and I'm making sure that all of these pieces are selected when I move the object. And I didn't get the wings, and that's not a good feeling. I somehow deselected. Click. I'm holding the Shift key down. Everybody is working together. A smart thing I could do now is I could make it all a group. If I press the Option key when I click on the group button, it says New Group from Layers. You see that? Because I pressed the Option key. When I click OK, they all go in the same folder. And then it's easy to make sure that you're selecting everything together. If you want to move it, now when I move it, come on, baby. Don't do that. Select, hold the Shift key. I'm holding the Shift key. All right, what's my problem? Show transform controls? What am I doing wrong? I'm having a dead brain cell moment. I'm going to link them together is what I'm not doing. I'm going to hold the Shift key down, my bad. Click on the link icon. Yes, now they should be linked to each other. No, they're not. They don't love me anymore, and I've forgotten how to use Photoshop. Why won't they move together? Huh. What am I doing? Click, 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 and click. Okay. Everything is selected.
I think you're choosing the different thing.
And I have them all linked. Unlink. Link. They are linked. Oh, I'm on the wrong pig. Thank you. I just couldn't understand that because I was not understanding it. Also, I added that wrong wing to that, so that's not so helpful. So let me unselect this wing, or hope that that's the right wing. Yep. All right, so that has to be out of the group. You're out of the group. Sorry, buddy. Don't mean to hurt your feelings. Oh, it looks so much better anyway. All right, so click, click, click. Move tool. Move. So all the pieces are moving together. Yeah. All right, end of the story on that one. All right, friends, I hope you liked it and that you can apply this to some of your own projects. And I'm going to call this one done.